with me, you see Dhoni 7. Of course, Dhoni isn't here, but he's here in spirit because his biggest fan, Ram, you see him traveling across the globe. He's here. He witnessed the game. We just caught him in the nick of time. Energy कैसी है?
एनर्जी तो बहुत बरकरार है, क्योंकि अभी बचा के रखनी है, क्योंकि न्यूजीलैंड को तो हरा चुके हैं. अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बारी है और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का 2023 का बदला जरूर लेना है सेमी में, और बीजीटी का भी बाकी है, लेकिन एनर्जी कम नहीं होगी. बस यही कहेंगे, जीत गया भाई, जीत गया इंडिया, जीत गया, भारत माता की जय.
अच्छा लगता है ये एनर्जी आपने इंडियन टीम को भी दी है, बिकॉज जब टीम आ रही थी हमने अपने दर्शकों को वो तस्वीरें दिखाई थी, तब से लेकर अब तक वही एनर्जी है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एनर्जी तो जी पूरा, कहते हैं ना पंजाबियों की बैटरी चार्ज रहती है, तो मैं पंजाब तो हाँ, तो बैटरी हमेशा चार्ज ही रहती है. तो बस जहाँ टीम है वहाँ हमारा जोश है, और टीम इंडिया को सबसे पहले, क्योंकि टीम आती है तो झंडा लहरता है, टीम जाती है तो झंडा लहरता है. तो आज तो जीत की खुशी है, तो डबल खुशी है. तो चक दे फटे, भारत माता की जय. तो किंग कोहली पाजी को भी आज 300 में ओडीआई खेला, तो उनको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक. बस शतक से चूक गए, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा दिन है किंग पाजी के लिए. जीत के साथ उनका ये ऐतिहासिक मैच बन चुका है, और किंग कोहली सेमीफाइनल में ऑस्ट्रेलिया सामने है. बस शतक चाहिए पाजी, चक दो फटे, विराट कोहली.
अच्छा जाते जाते ये बताओ कि कैसे लगता है 19 नवंबर का, हाँ दोनों बताओ, 19 नवंबर का क्यों लगता है बदला ले लिया जाएगा? पहले
सर मैं ग्राउंड पे ही था, मुझे आज भी याद है सर.
अच्छा वहाँ थे अहमदाबाद में?
वहाँ मैं अहमदाबाद में था, और आज मैं यहाँ पर भी हूँ. तो सर मैं वेट कर रहा था कि इंडिया सेमीफाइनल में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ खेले. मैं था कि इंडिया ये मैच जीत जाए. सर क्यों 19 नवंबर का बदला, और 4 अप्रैल को सर ऑस्ट्रेलिया को ऐसे हरा के लेंगे, वो कंगारू ऐसे डब डब करके निकलेंगे. सर वही चाहिए हमें सर, सॉरी
बिल्कुल
वही चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
और कंगारू ना ऐसे भागेंगे ना कि भाई कहाँ पंगा ले लिया ये ना. अब तुम बस बीजीटी हो गया जो होना था भाई. इस बार मैं सर दिल से बोलता हूँ, एक चीज
दिल से बोलने के
मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. पता, आई सिंपली हेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया, दैट्स इट.
नहीं देखो
भाई मुझे पर्स देखो, आप हर एक का अपना ओपिनियन है, मेरा ओपिनियन ये है, क्योंकि पता नहीं क्यों वो जैसे भी एरोगेंस है. सर अगर ये मैच सेमीफाइनल में जीतने के बाद ना सर क्या होगा, मैं कंगारू का लेके आऊंगा, ऐसे पोज बना के और नाचूंगा, खत्म. तो गाइस मजा आने वाला है. अब इंडिया का जो मैच है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ, तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया टीम आप आ रहे हो, उसके बाद सबका बैक पैक होगा, निकल जाओगे वापस कहाँ, सिडनी. बाय.
अच्छा आओ राम बताओ क्या है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया को क्यों हराएंगे?
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि उनसे रिवाइज बहुत बाकी है, और समझ लो सबसे बड़ा 2023 का वर्ल्ड कप, जैसे भाइयों ने बोला था कि पूरे शोर को चुप करा देंगे, लेकिन दुबई में शोर चुप नहीं होगा. ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडिया बिल्कुल रेडी है, आप आइए, स्वागत है आपका. और 4 तारीख को इंडिया जरूर विन करेगा सेमी और फिर फाइनल. बस यही है, टीम इंडिया अच्छे से खेले, एकता से खेले, और सभी हिंदुस्तानियों का एक दिवाली मनाने का, जो होली मनाने का मौका मिले, तो वो यहीं से शुरुआत हो. बस बेस्ट ऑफ लक टीम इंडिया.
Okay, thank you. Finally, before we go, one final fan, another person, Mohit, he travels across the world to watch the Indian team play. Did you have nervous moments? Ek time laga we could lose?
As always, like you remember the semi-final of India and New Zealand, Wankhede?
Yes.
Williamson and Mitchell was playing there, and today as well. So of course, because they are the top batsmen from Kiwis, so there was a slight nervous moment. But again, I remember one of the ball got turned for there was a turn for Sentner, and that's when I got the confidence that it's going to be difficult for the Kiwis, because that turn of the ball gives us the advantage, because of we were playing with the 4 spinners here. So that's one of the things.
Finally, Australia, they'll handle them here.
See, I'll tell
Because you reminded the semis, I'm reminding you the final after that.
See, I think what we have done in Saint Kitts, I think it was.
St. Lucia.
St. Lucia, yeah, exactly. We were there, yeah. So I hope we repeat that. But again, Australia is Australia. I mean, they are the Makkah of cricket. That's what I think personally.
Yeah.
It's not going to be easy for us. I mean, Aussies are toughest athletes in the world. It's not going to be easy for us. But the way we are playing, honestly, I wanted us to lose today, so that there's kind of a pushback. But again, I mean, having said that, I think I'm optimistic us to win, because now what we have done today, being under down for some moment, and now we have achieved this win on 250.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it's not going to be easy for sure.
Okay,
100%.
it's not going to be easy. That's the message from here. I'm afraid we're completely out of time on this broadcast. I would have loved to have spoken to a few more fans. But before we go, quick, one word.
The thing is that beating Australia in semi-final is much easier than beating them in final.
Okay.
That's what the record I always say, because if you remember the past record also, 2011 World Cup when they played in Asia, they somehow they managed to crumble in the semi-final and not.
Okay, completely out of time. But he makes a very valid point. Australian finals is different from Australia in the semi-final. What did you enjoy the most in the game today?
Varun Chakravarti, Ashwin said yesterday on his show that he will be the trump card for India. He got 5, that's first trump card. And the next one will be Rohit and Kohli will be waiting. We'll get them in finals.
Shreyas Iyer as well. Shreyas Iyer was brilliant. You know, we could not have set up this kind of total without Shreyas' contribution. And Varun Chakravarti 2.0. Remember this ground, same ground in 2021 World Cup. When Salman Butt say that we can find this kind of spin bowler every street in Pakistan. Remember that?
Yes.
Yeah, and Varun Chakravarti doing that kind of comeback, you know, taking 5 wickets all. Fantastic effort actually, you know.
Shreyas Iyer and Varun, amazing performance from both.
Okay.
Varun New Zealand was supposed to chase him, but he just took 5 wickets. Amazing.
Okay, let me get a young fan as well. What did you enjoy the most?
Hardik Pandya played a wonderful knock which was very helpful.
Okay.
If he would get out early, New Zealand may win.
Kudos to Varun Chakravarti, but I would like to say Akshar Patel, the catch what he took, he gave a very good start, and from there the momentum of the game started leaning towards our side. So I think Indian team today proved that we as a bunch of team, we are the wonderful players, and this year Champions Trophy is ours. India,
This is Rocco's trophy.
I would say
This is Rocco's trophy. This is the last one with together.
Why are you saying last one? They could be there 2027 World Cup.
I wish, but you know the situation in India and the political games happen across the country.
Okay.
It will be the last one, but they should go with the shining colors.
Okay.
I think they can beat. We can beat Australia as well on this patch. On this pitch, the spinning track is very low. I don't think actually Australia will be able to play these kind of quality spinners. You know, I think India has got edge.
Plenty more Indian fans with me. I'm going to step back because that's the only way I can fit these two tall gentlemen, vertically much higher than where I'm standing at the moment. How was the game?
I think it was pretty good. I think losing a few wickets early, I think set the middle order up, and middle order hadn't batted so much in the tournament. So I felt that was a good outing for KL Rahul, Hardik Pandya stepping up, showing what he's capable of. And then Akshar Patel playing a long innings, Iyer as usual playing his classy best in 50-over cricket. I think it was a good all-round lower order performance. Towards the end, I think 250, 270 is a good defendable score in Dubai. And then obviously bowling, I think in the first game we struggled in the middle overs, taking wickets. And in this game, I think the spinners came to the party, took wickets in the middle. Varun playing his first game in the tournament, picking a fifer, I think doesn't get better.
What about you?
Yeah, I think initially I thought we were 15-20 runs short, but the bowling just pulled back the run rate from the New Zealand batsmen. So I think the middle over bowling is what got us the win, because the run rate became I think 9.5, 10 towards the end, which was the required run rate. So I think that's what got us the win.
Okay. Also, you think it's a good workout for India because your top order had been doing well, the middle order got some chances, and what about the 4 bowlers? You think that's the way to go forward in this tournament?
Yeah, I think unfortunately Rana sitting out makes sense in the next game. Even I don't know if you know.
Who would have thought? Because before this tournament, everyone's like, we're coming one fast bowler short.
Short. And I think Rohit and Gautam Gambhir and the entire team management made the perfect call, because I think ILT20, everyone was saying that the pacers have been getting the wickets and spinners haven't been coming to the party. But I think Indian team management, as usual, making a great call, and hopefully we can win the Champions Trophy, choke the Aussies day after tomorrow.
Yeah, I think if we can get the semi-final win, then it's a definite win for India, for sure. And as far as the bowlers are concerned, I think I was very unsure about
4 spinners.
4 spinners, very, very unsure.
That's being honest.
Yeah, I was hoping Harshit would play, but I think it worked in our favour, and the track was spinning, so I think it was a good decision in the end.